Hello, this is Soso Kitchen. Today, if that's your first time, please thumb up. And then don't forget to subscribe for Soso Kitchen. Thank you very much. Jeudi, ça nous va faire papita. Papita, c'est un bagage qui est bien facile. So, c'est banane. Et yo diront ça que, si vous banane non mettez trempé dans de l'eau, l'eau calé, la réellement calé bien vite. M'ba connaît, mais m'ba laisser ça jeudi à la pour moi. Et bon bagage moi même fait, non calé banane.
So what she said is she heard a trick. If you let your banana or plantain sit in water, it's easier to peel the skin. So today she's gonna try that for her first time. She's not a fan of peeling plantain.
I don't know.
Was it easier? She said she doesn't like to peel plantains or cut it, so she doesn't know.
I don't know.
You do this all the time. No difference to you? Who does it?
No, mettez le bouillir à toute peau. I don't like that.
So normally she just boils banana with the skin.
Not bad. Okay, I'm going to try. Mais faire couteau bien filé. When you cook, you have to do something with your hands because God gives you hands.
That's a good piece.
Yeah. Be careful, guys, when you try to do it. That's nice. Be careful, very slowly. Yeah. Not too big. Not bad. That's very nice. C'est l'huile là. C'est du feu, ça m'a fait. M'a mettre celle-là dans l'huile là. M'a mettre une cuillère celle dans l'huile là. Les pas jamais salé. Si on parle de tout mettre celle-là dans l'huile là, on est capable de faire une fouille et puis on mettez aussi mes sel dessus. Je préfère les gens ça plutôt. Il y a également bagage.
If you don't want to put salt in the oil afterwards, you can put salt on top of it after you fry it. It gives you the same results, but she just prefers to put salt in the oil. And as you saw, after she put the salt, she stirred it.
To tell you that guy, si vous voulez faire avec banane douce là, vous pouvez faire avec banane douce là, ok?
If
So-
you want to do it with sweet potatoes, sweet plantains as well, you can.
Thanks very much. Et vidéo ça me te gen pour nous jeudi là, papita. It's easy pour faire. Okay? If that's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe for Soso Kitchen. Thumb up. Thanks very much. I'm very, very happy. Si vous pouvez subscribe pour Soso Kitchen, please subscribe. Tout le monde qui subscribe, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. See you next time. À la prochaine. Love you. Soso Kitchen.